Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the problem across inputs so you know it's the panel or electronics, not a source. Once done, unplug the TV and let it discharge for a minute to reduce shock risk. Make sure you document connector positions with a phone photo before touching anything. Remove the back panel carefully. Keep screws in order. This initial verification and safe power-off step prevents wasted effort and isolates the fault to the display assembly or its driver electronics. Once inside, you'll target the T-Con board and LVDS ribbons because most vertical or horizontal lines come from those connections or a failing driver. Remove the shielding and inspect the T-Con for visible damage. If caps are bloated or ICs scorched, that's the culprit. Make sure ribbon cables are clean, flat, and reseated with firm, even pressure. A partial contact creates lines. If possible, test with a known good T-Con or cable to confirm the component that must be replaced. After you've isolated the bad component, replace the T-Con board or LVDS ribbon with the exact part number to ensure compatibility. Reassemble the TV, reconnect power, and test using multiple inputs and full-screen color patterns so you can confirm the lines are gone. If horizontal or vertical lines persist, make sure the replacement was seated correctly and that flex cables are undamaged. One key troubleshooting tip: applying gentle localized pressure at the panel edge can reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.